My name is Alesia B, and my fiance's name is John Moultrie Jr. We had a timeshare issue that had already cost us over $60,000 in payments and maintenance fees since 2019, and it is now 2024. We were only allowed to use the timeshare once during the time that we owned our timeshare between 2019 and 2024. Every time we wanted to use our timeshare, we were told to try again next year to book our vacation because the resorts were full. When we looked online, there was always an open reservation, but we could not use them for our timeshare reservations. When I saw the Wesley group for Timeshare Exit on an ad on YouTube, we called them immediately. We were so grateful that we did call them because we had an awesome experience working with Wesley Financial Group for Timeshare Exit because of their diligence and professionalism in canceling our timeshare contract. The cost of the contract with Wesley Financial was worth every penny. We would highly recommend Wesley Financial Group for Timeshare Exit to everyone, and I mean everyone, who needs help in getting out of a timeshare contract. Do it today. Don't wait. Do it today because it'll be worth every penny that you spend with Wesley Financial Group. Thank you.